So we've had another 25 mils of rain yesterday, and this is the lake. This is actually the road in to the lake, and that's the trees that I showed you the other day where the campsites are normally. So a lot of people are glad they moved up into higher ground, because you can't even get to the campsites now. It's all flooded. The flooded gums and the coolabah trees are just loving it, and so are the wildlife, because the birds appreciate not having anybody camp down here on their patch. So Lake Hoodruman, just outside of Quilpie, flooded once more. Bloody beautiful.